When we suffer, it's because something has gone wrong, and we need to start understanding how our spirit works so that we can heal. Healing is Teshuva. Kadosh Baruch Hu says, Shuvu banim shavavim, erpo meshuvasechem. Let me heal your return. Your return to reality, you will heal. Reality is good. Hashem is good. It's all kindness, except the people haven't noticed. The people are still playing out a game of pain and suffering, and they're making each other suffer. Why? Because they're busy outside. Because the Greeks told them that they will find happiness through their senses. The senses are there to enhance our happiness, but they can never give us happiness. If we go after senses, in order to gain happiness, we're going to become compulsive. We're going to have less happiness as a result. Happiness comes from the spirit. Happiness comes from knowing that you're safe and that the one that created you loves you and wants you to be. And he wants you to be much more than you currently are. He created you to be much more. And you have the capacity. Your brain didn't stop growing when you became a teenager. Our brains continued to mature until the day we pass. And this is why in the ancient world, the old people were respected. In fact, the word Zoken means Zekana Chachma. This man is wise. Why? Because the years have given him wisdom, which means his brain continued growing. Because he kept observing life and his experience kept on being enriched by realizing what's already here. Not by going after things that are not here, but by realizing what's already happening. By placing his mind on the important subjects, his life gets enhanced. Because this life is miraculous. It makes no sense that a chunk of meat hanging on a skeleton can talk. It makes no sense. However, this is the fact. This is the reality we live in. And therefore, we should realize how marvelous it is. We shouldn't lose sight of who we are, of how miraculous it is that this can even be taking place. And so the Greeks, by taking life to the external, they allowed us to lose sight of who we are. They allowed us to forget what it means to be us.